Well, good morning, everybody. Nice and chilly this morning. My neighbor hired me to build her a new fence. As you can see, the old one wasn't exactly up to par anymore. So she hired me to build a new one. And what I did yesterday, so I can let the concrete set overnight, is put on a post in. So this morning, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run me a string line at the top, 6 foot from the floor up to the top, from that 4x4 at the end to the other 2x2 at the other end behind me, and run me a line across there, level everything up. She don't care that the bottom's not level, she wants the top level. So anyways, next step is get that done and start putting the tops and bottom posts on, or runners, whatever you call them. Anyways, I'll see y'all when I get to that point. All right, as far as that goes, day 2, this is what all I got accomplished. Got all the, well, most of them. I still got one I ran out of wire, but that's progress. All right, catch you on the next one.